Hey guys, welcome to mod review, and today I'm doing the too many items mod review, and it's in my mother's phone. Just do that and go to block launcher. Wait for a while. It's quite laggy, I know. Come on, block launcher. To install this, you only need block launcher. That's it. And here, an item mod showcase, and voila! As you can see, I have a skin. It's this, and now here's the too many items. There's a lot of stuff here, but the most important is there's like stuff you can change to creative. See, there and there. Zoom in. There's a survival button. Come on, focus. Oh, who cares? Then when I press it, it's in creative. Okay, that I got stone. Nothing. So yeah. Let me back. And then here, there's a next button. So we can go to the next page. And at the top here, there's a chest. That's your favorites. This is, I don't know, brick and flour is like stuff. This is weapons and food. And if you go to this ... 3 times, you can heal yourself. You can kill yourself. I died. Kill yourself and set respawn position. Come on. Set respawn position. There. Sets it. You can change the day. I don't know what that is. You can teleport. You can add stuff like blah, add that, and then go back. Let me go here and go here, teleport, and then I'm back. So that's a quick way of teleporting. And now it's spawn entity. Let's see, what should we spawn? Villager. It will say exit spawn mode. So you just click on a block and then you spawn your stuff. Exit spawn mode. And now is the remove nearby entity. Villagers. See, it's all gone now. Now, wait, let me spawn some stuff. Okay. And then go here. And then set nearby entity on fire. Villager, it's all on fire. And then one more thing, set nearby mob HP, 50 HP, and select mob type zombie. So let's say there's a zombie down there and you can't kill him. Okay, let's spawn a wolf, let's say, and then set nearby mob HP, select mob type wolf, then okay, let's hit him with an iron sword. It usually takes a few hits, like 4 hits. Come on, Wolfie. See? Oh gosh, oh, that one died. See, this thing can't die. This thing is a beast. Okay, it died. Now, yeah, I think that's all. And you can sprint too. Double tap and you sprint. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this mod review. Wait. Thank you guys for watching this mod review. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!